Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove that powered by WordPress text from the footer of your site fast and easy, especially if you're using one of the newest block themes like 2025. If you've ever scrolled to the bottom of your WordPress site and thought, I really wish I could get rid of that branding and keep things looking clean and professional, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to delete it for good, no coding, no plugin headaches, just a few clicks right inside WordPress. So let's hop right in. First, you want to make sure you're using a modern block theme. These are the latest design themes WordPress has introduced, like 2025. What's great about block themes is that they give you much more flexibility, letting you customize almost every part of your site using the visual block editor. If you're not sure which theme you're using, take a quick peek in Appearance Themes. If you see the name 2025 or anything with a block vibe, you're good to go. Alright, step 1 is to navigate to the editor. Go to the left-hand menu inside your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance, then Editor. This will open up what's called the Site Editor, and from here, you can visually tweak pretty much any part of your site, header, content, and yes, the footer. Now the footer is what we're interested in. It's where that proudly powered by WordPress text lives. In most block themes, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Sometimes the editor takes a moment to load, especially if you've got lots of things going on with your theme. So take your time here, don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. If you see several sections, just keep scrolling until you spot the footer area. Think of it like searching for the last chapter in a book, it's always at the end. Next, once you found the footer, look for that little block of text that says proudly powered by WordPress. It usually stands out because it's in its own block, and if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see a blue or gray outline appear. Click directly on that text. This is where the block editor really shines because it treats everything as individual blocks, so deleting this is as easy as removing a paragraph from a document. When you've clicked on the block, a small toolbar appears above it. In that toolbar, look for the three dots, also called the More Options menu. It's usually at the far right of the toolbar. Click the three dots, then select Delete. Don't worry if you misclick, you can always undo your last action in the editor if needed. Deleting this block will instantly remove the powered by WordPress text from your site's footer. Finally, don't forget the most important part. Hit Save at the top right of the editor. Sometimes it's easy to overlook this, but saving locks in your changes and updates your site for everyone to see. Once you've saved, visit your site's homepage and scroll down. You'll notice right away that the branding is gone and your footer is looking cleaner and more personalized. And that's it. No code, no fuss, just a simple change with the block editor. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and drop any questions or experiences in the comments below. I respond to everyone I can. Make sure to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tips just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing your site.